Hey, you guys want to go scrapping? Also, check this out. If I can remember, she's probably going to roll over to 50,000 miles while we're out here, so. As previously stated, if I can remember, I'll try to catch it. If not, I guess it'll just be at 50 grand when we get back to the Nahal. Well, probably slightly past, but anyway. Let's see what we can find on a Wednesday. What do you say? What's that? Oh, I see something. Oh, I see something. Yep. Riding my butt. That's why you run into me. I got flashers on. You wanna go around me? Come on, go around me. Go around me. Any day. There you go. That's what happens when you ride around and you ride up somebody's ass when they decide to stop. You're not really aware, or you don't have much time. You know, when they see something like a patio set put out. Oh, let's take it. Thanks. I don't know that he quite heard me. That was one of them electric cars. I didn't hear it sneaking up on me. Chair day. I don't know, do we take a table? We could, I guess. It's not a super huge one. It. What the hell did he say? Take that cast, that's timber, buddy. There's that code. That's what I heard. That might not have been what he said. I don't know. Thou shalt not pass. You look limber, buddy? I don't know. No idea what that man said to us. Get in the hole. This one's not working with me. Huh, it wants to go like that. strung a string. I don't know, we got some patio furniture. Those things sell. What's that? Champagne, her sausage. Yeah, fancy. Oh yes, Robbie. Did you see the new champagne flakes I picked up this afternoon? Yes. What do you say, dear? Mimosas by the Funsicle? What do you think? Would you guys have mimosas next to the Funsicle with Mr. Strappity? I know this is actually a chair to a table, but to my eye, ew, look at all the spiders. You tell me that was your kitchen table? That's disgusting. I thought my kitchen was bad. Anyway, to my untrained eye, it looks like a bench. And I'm figuring maybe we might be able to get $10 for it. So I'll take it. Why not? What's that? It's not as fancy as the mimosa glasses. Yeah. Something. Trimmer score. Also, in case anybody's actually watching right now, I bought a locker. I got a storage locker. Tell, was that metal? Looked like ceramic or metal. I couldn't tell. Anyway, it was a watering can. We can live without it. Yeah, I got a locker, man. Steering wheel time. Sorry, I apologize. I don't know. I got one load out of it today, and I got to go back in the morning for the next and probably the final. I don't know. I'll insert some clip randomly throughout this video, but I'm probably gonna save that for Friday and Saturday. So just letting you know now, it was filmed today on Wednesday, June the 21st of our Lord, the year 2020 and 3. And do you think they're going to cancel them Titanic tours? I'm willing to bet they're going to. Just when I was starting to save up for it. Anyway, bada bing, you know, up to date, dated, what's in the news. Yeah, but anyway, so because I don't really come out and do this on Fridays or Saturdays. So I figured I could either give you like a 3-hour tour today, minus the underwater stuff. We ain't going to... I don't see no Titanics. I don't know that they did either. They might have. They might still be seeing it. I don't know. Bada bing. I'm sorry. Is it too soon? Anyway, you get what you pay for. I mean, you know, that's like they say, well, hey, have you seen that green light on Jupiter? And Tom Bodette's like, I have not. I would like to see it. So he goes, and then he don't come back from Jupiter. It's like, you know, you made your bed, you lie in it. But anyway, what's that? Nothing. Okay. Yeah, so, but we'll probably do that for Friday and Saturday. If you're interested, maybe stop by and check it out. It was something. It was a whole... Jeez Louise. Manganese. That's a lot of couchy articles. Sure, old Ralph's gonna be like, yeah, I love you guys. That's a lot of couch pieces. Sectionals. They're too big for my place. I got a little knackle. But a fairly big funsicle. It's like 15 foot. How do you walk around, Mr. Scrappy? I don't know. I'm fairly spry. Anyway, yeah, so, Friday and Saturday. Maybe just Friday. Maybe Friday and Saturday. Maybe just Saturday. I don't know. Some point this weekend. We'll do is this thing even recording? It is. Okay. Just double check. Need to do a little adjustment there. Yeah, I had you out and about. Put you back in your little spot. Not sure if you're correctly seated. Anyway, so if you want to check that out this weekend. And yeah. Anyway, let's go find some more scrappy bits. Although I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put them. The backyard's getting full. Like somebody already got the cords. What's that? Something. We gotta try to be quick. Older body style Ford man's right behind us. Scoops. Well, he got ahead of us. Got him a little bistro set there. Bistro set there, buddy. Anyway, damn it. Well, that was odd. So this guy flagged me down, right? And he said, I have a table and chair set out. It's right up this way, you'll see it, blah, blah, blah. That was the way we just came from. And so I said, oh, was it a white set? And he said, yes. And I said, oh, I think that other guy, because Ford dude was around us there. I said, I think that other guy just got it. And he said, no, I talked to him. He said, no. So, here we are. I bet I can at least do something with these chairs. Whoa, get back here. Maybe, I don't know. We'll take them, see what happens. You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I told you this story once about this guy that flagged me down. He said, I got some table and chairs set out. Anyway, if you know, you know. I don't know. Looked like something. It's a toilet paper thingy. Hey, at least it's made out of metal. Ain't one of them things you scrub the shitty bowl with. But anyway, maybe if I pick that up, I'll keep in good relations with them there. Shit, maybe next week they'll throw out the lawnmower. You never know, you know? Anyway. Do you know? Anyway, yeah. What are you guys still doing here? What's that? Looks like 2 fold-em-up chairs. Shoots and he scores. Helium steel. Well, if that's how it wants to be. Stretchy noises. Alrighty.
I have few things near the cul-de-sac.
Okay,
If it's useful, you can take.
I'll check them. Thanks. I thought he was kind of like standing there a little. Anyway, there's just a million kids here playing in the street. Anyway, yeah, what? Oh, I thought he was like hovering. Had something in the cul-de-sac, solid or something. I will check here. There was a bike there, but all them kids in the street, man. Anyway, okay. He's standing there looking at me. I think he's wondering why I didn't get it. Because there's like 900 kids right there, man. I don't want to deal with that shit. Let's find something else. It was just a little kid's bike. There we go. Hospital table. Let's see how long these, I think they're deck boards, but let's see how long they cut them. I think my fence is about 6 foot. Those are way shorter than 6 foot, aren't they? Darn it. And we'll find some fence pieces here eventually. Looking for about 15 fence boards or so, give or take. What's that? It's a Satamolite dish. Oh, I broke it. I am why we can't have nice things. Well, go spongy thumbs here. Well, I don't know where to put it now. On the fence. Well, that ain't doing nothing. Go gadget. Hope it don't fly out. Maybe? I don't know. Whatever. Pass a girl's bike, find a girl's bike. Doll and baby clothes. I think that's what's really in the boxes. It's an old school booster sheet. Baby book. Is it really baby book? Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, nothing we want there. Clothes. Okay, we'll just take the bike. Wow, those tires are rock hard. Think they're still using it? I bet they were. That poor little girl's gonna come out any moment now. That poor little girl's probably like 47. I don't know. That bike's older than I am. Hey man, it's something. Let's see. No. This side? Maybe. Like a glove. Kinda. Not really, but whatever. What's that? It's a chair. I'll take a chair. Ah. If the chair don't take me first. I came prepared. It's on there. New snow shovel. It took it and it didn't want to give it back. Or is this our new snow shovel? I don't know. I like the old farmy scoop looking shovels. Well, the other one did it. I thought it was going to be all like same scrap time, same scrap channel. Good enough. Is that good enough? What do you think? Squish that back down in there. I'm wore out, man. See? Cost me 60 bucks. And we're back. Anyway, that was Wednesday. That was part of my locker. That was Miss Amy's head. That's her ass. Anyway, oh yeah, look. Check out Mr. Scraffity's hard hat mic storage locker video coming this weekend. Husky tool bag, Lowe's jackets. Give you a little sneak peek so far. Where's my mandolin? Oh, look, Miss Amy just handed me this. Cha-ching. I gave the girl a silver frog butterfly thing. It's a Aria. It's got a M300 wah. It's the Tiny Tim special there. See you in Nashville, boys. Scraffity's headed for the Grand Ole Opry. Also, if you're keeping track of the keeping tracks, look, what's Larry doing out here? Annexation complete. Anyway, I want to patch this side back up, and then we'll just have a gate into the spot. Oh, yep, Daddy's home. Anyway, ow. Look, I set some little willow trees out here. We'll see what happens with them. Ah! Anyway, I got one up here too. Willow tree update type action. And that was Wednesday. And the boob's trying to eat my buns. Alright, later guys.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?